Tikimura. Okay, we just took the back. Now we're going to do our other two submissions. What were the other two submissions of the dorsal? Jujigatami, which is what? What's a juji? Bar. And then we're also going to go to the Ushiro-Sankaku, which is a what? It's like a reverse back triangle, reverse triangle. So you'll see. So here we go. Tikimura. He comes in. Nice knee wedge. Now, as I go to put this here, I can't. Nathan has his knee up. Okay, so you're not going to try to do this. You're going to bring the knee up. You're going to put it here in his chest. Now, Ivy, walk over here, please, so you can see this. So, now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to push with this leg over here. So look where I'm at. Now, we can do a couple things. You can let go of this, knuckles to chest, adjust. We have the Ushiro-Sankaku right there. Okay. Before I was also here. You can keep the Kimura if you want. I have to let go because I have to adjust my legs because they're so big. But if you're strong, you can put it in, and look. We have a triangle and a Kimura at the same time. Now that's bad. That's tough. If we can't do that, actually we'll do it again. So here he comes up, slides. His knee is up high. I can't get in. So watch. Do not try to go like this. Bring the knee up high as you can. Hook it in the chest. Now I'm gonna take my right leg and push with my Kimura. If you can, over here. We can keep the Kimura. Now watch. I'm just pulling it. Boom, right there. So we have the Ushiro-Sankaku. Who knows that technique already? It's pretty familiar with the Ushiro-Sankaku. We've been doing it. Okay? And running like this already. And if we can't get that, he comes up, Tikimura, boom, slide, hook it, go over here. So now we're here, look where I'm at. I'm just gonna go leg over, we can do the traditional one. If we can slide the leg in, we can get the 3/4 juji. Now remember how we break it? I'm going to put this in all the way, and I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to fall,